and the idler. Okay. Now we have fixed both the brackets on the wall. Okay. Now we'll put the motor part into the bracket, the square one. Keep the wire on the top side. Once it is gone inside, there is a lock pin put inside. Lock pin inside. Put the lock pin inside. Now it will not come out. Now come on this side. On this side, we have to press this and release it into the hole. Now this system is done. The system is done with the installation. This is a 3M tape, double-sided tape, which has to be stuck onto the pipe for sticking the fabric for roller blind. Okay. Now this is already stuck here. It should be straight. Now next we'll stick the fabric onto the this should be straight in line. Okay, fabric is also done. Next we have to do the setting of the motor. Stop the type black, brown. One is for up and one is for down. This is neutral and this is earthing. Okay, now we'll do the connection and start the motor. Stop. And stop. Now we'll change the wire and give the power on black. It moves upward and then stop. Now we have to bring this situation with this position to the top. Now to find out, power will be on to find out which of the knob, white or red, which of the knob. There are two knobs inside the motor. See this motor. There are two knobs. One is white and another is red. Similarly, you can find here. We'll give the power. Give the power, it stops over here. We'll first move this in clockwise direction, plus direction, nothing happens. We'll put this knob in another one and move in plus direction. Now it starts responding. See, if I move this in plus direction, it starts responding. So now as I to rotate this, the motor moves up. So we have to bring it, keep on rotating. The motor comes up. The motor comes up. Motor comes up. We can set the position to what we want.